In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your O2 sensor on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located on the back of the engine on your exhaust pipe. All right, so you're going to start by disconnecting your connector. Okay, so now your connector is going to slide out of this bracket. It might need a little persuasion if it's stuck like ours. There we go. So use a pry bar and just push that out. And there you have it. Now we're going to follow it down and take it off whatever brackets there are. This one looks like it's broken. And that's about it. So now we're going to go underneath and unscrew it from the pipe. I'm going to push my connector down there so it's easier. Okay, so this O2 sensor has an option to use these plastic grommets to secure the harness where it belongs, but this car doesn't need that, it just slides in. So we're going to take it off. Just take a screwdriver and pick up that little lip there, and then it should just slide right out. The easiest way to get to this O2 sensor, and also on the other O2 sensor, is to use this extra long 1/2 inch ratchet with a reducer going to 3/8, and then a O2 sensor socket, a short one. So now we're going to go up and get it on the O2 sensor. And we're going to crack it loose. All right, that looks loose enough to get with my hand at this point. I'm going to take my tool down. And unscrew it the rest of the way. And there we have it. All right, so now we're going to install our new one. Place it in, start it by hand. It's a little difficult because the wire gets in your way, so just be patient. You don't want to twist it too much, the wire that is. All right, so once you get that started by hand, you can snug it up and then we'll torque it. All right, so we're going to use the same setup. Tighten our O2 sensor, and then we're going to torque it to 30 foot-pounds with a torque wrench. So I'm going to stop there and get my torque wrench now. So we're going to torque this to 30 foot-pounds. Now that we're done torquing, we're going to feed our wire up to the top so it's easier when we're on top to plug it in. All right, so here we are. We're going to grab our harness and bring it up. Okay, so now I've cleaned up my bracket because it was super rusty. You can do the same if your bracket is rusty. I'm going to slide this in like that, and then we can plug in our harness. It only goes one way, so that's pretty good. All right, you want to hear that click, and then give it a good test. Make sure it stays on. All right, so now we're just going to slide our wire into our bracket, make sure everything is away from the heat, and you're good to go. Now you're going to start the vehicle up, make sure it runs well, and take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.